Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I want to tell you all about my beautiful bag. There's so many wonderful features about this bag, but I think my favorite thing about it is the design. This is a beautiful bag. I love the material that it's made out of. It's soft. I love the colors, these bright white flowers. Then it's got such beautiful subtle details with the hummingbirds. It's absolutely beautiful. So if you have a fancy event, you can still take this with you. I was really impressed with the capacity of this. It held everything that I needed it to. I'm a busy mom and wife, so I carry around a lot of stuff, you know, a million lip glosses, hand sanitizer, gum, my wallet, sunglasses, and this held up very well with my busy life. The zippers are very strong and durable. They're not going to break on you. And I also love that this purse comes with an optional strap so that you can carry this crossbody, or you can carry it over your shoulder or wear it as a backpack. The shoulder straps are adjustable and easily done. You can just put it on, cinch it up, and you're ready to go. Again, I want to highlight how impressed I am with the durability of this. I've had this bag for quite a while. I've used it every day, and like I said, I'm a busy mom and wife, and this beautiful bag shows no signs of wear. So that is just fantastic. I need something that's going to keep up with my life. So this bag is wonderful whether you're hiking in the woods or shopping at the mall. I absolutely love it, but that's just my point of view.